Welcome to another video tutorial about the best CRM tools for your business. Few things are more important for a business than to maintain relationships with its customers. No matter whether you cater to businesses or consumers, it's important to stay in touch with each of your existing and potential customers in an effective way. CRM tools make this task much easier. But with the market flooded with hundreds of CRM software that cater to different needs and have their unique strengths, it's challenging to find the right match. This video will help you understand what a CRM tool can do for your business and explore top products with which to start your solution evaluation. Let's take a look at our list of top CRM tools. Salesforce Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud from Salesforce provides sales and customer support in both the B2B and B2C spaces. The CRM tool is suitable for businesses of any size across industries like wealth management, nonprofit, manufacturing, travel and hospitality, government, communications, media, banking, healthcare, and more. It offers native apps for Android and iOS. Some of its capabilities automations with visual workflows, contact management, marketing tools, integration, customization, file sync and share, and drag and drop process builder. Dynamics 365 CRM. Built on the common data service platform, Dynamics 365 CRM is a model-driven customer relationship management tool, enabling sales reps to track and close sales, nurture customer relationships, and take prompt actions based on insights. With a self-service knowledge base and integrated solutions, it allows business to automate field service, drive sales, and improve operations. It can be deployed in a partner-hosted or private on-premise cloud or on Microsoft's cloud. HubSpot CRM software tool is a cloud-based platform enabling businesses to organize contacts, monitor deals, and get insights on leads. Alongside a free forever CRM offering, its Service Hub, Marketing Hub, and Sales Hub modules provide basic functionality without charge. Companies can activate advanced tools by upgrading to premium plans. It is suitable for businesses of all sizes in e-commerce, financial services, consumer services, healthcare, real estate, manufacturing, and more. Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a web-based platform with features like leads and deals management, communication tracking, sales automation, insights and reports, and an app marketplace. It supports management and sales teams with detailed sales reporting, revenue projections, customer reports, cost catalogs, and notes. Additionally, it offers native mobile applications for iOS and Android and an open API to build custom integrations. Oracle CX Sales. Oracle CX Sales is an SaaS-based platform that offers a set of AI and data-driven features to improve sales and customer satisfaction. Some of its capabilities are sales automation, a partner portal, a responsive user interface, a native mobile application, and partner relationship. Considering the challenges businesses without customer relationship management tools face, it's clear that having a CRM gives you an advantage when trying to sustain and grow your business. The right CRM tool will connect your sales and service teams for a more comfortable and user-friendly customer buying experience. While we cover the strengths and capabilities of the best CRM tools in detail, you can check out for free comparison reports in my other videos to compare even more products and see how they stack up against your business needs. Thank you for watching.